Hey, what's going on, guys? I'm Boomplays, and today I'll show you how you can. I'm gonna show you how you can get a Java project and just start it up. So you need four things for apps, I guess. You need your Xcode, your Java, and your TextEdit and Terminal. So after you've gotten those, Terminal should be in your Mac already installed. Also your text edit, but you download these, so I'll put the link in the description. This one you can just get it from App Store. Here, I'll just show you. You can go to App Store and type in Xcode. Well, no, not like that. That's not how you type it in. Xcode, and then you can just install it. It is a pretty big file, but it's gonna take like 30 minutes, I think. But yeah, let's get this tutorial. First, you want to start up by opening up your text edit. There's two ways to run Java, so I'll show you the first way and the second way. So you create a new document. After you've done that, you're gonna go to your format and make a plain text. So after you're here, you're gonna go to your text edit settings. After you're into settings, you're gonna go to open and save. So here's the settings that you need to have. These ones don't mess around with. You wanna put this on iCode for opening file and saving file on iCode. This one I think should be on iCode default. These two they're just don't change. You can just these don't matter, but these three matter. They just leave it alone. So after you've done that, go to file and you're gonna save it, and you can just call it whatever you want. So I'm gonna be calling this Java Part 1. No, it's Java 1. Okay, so you can just do that. You don't need to have it in your desktop, and then this needs to be on iCode. I think it should be on iCode regularly. And oh, I almost forgot, guys. You need to uncheck that. Plus, this cannot be on text. It needs to be in .java because it needs to be able to read this. So yeah. So after you're done that, you're gonna save it, and it should be right there. So after that, and after your Xcode is done installing, you open it up, and it should open from Xcode here. So okay, what you're gonna do is you're gonna go to public class. You need to first create a class, and this is how you do it, I guess. Java 1, and then bam, and there you go. You just created a class. I'm just gonna show like the basics for this time. So that's how you created a class. So if you open your Java, so just give me a second. And also, happy July 4th if you live in the USA. Today is Independence Day, as you guys can see. It's a very exciting day, and we're going to be programming, which is very exciting. So, look, let's create a new project. Let's just pick, no, never mind. Okay, just create a project. There you go. You can just call anything. I'm just going to go Java 2 because you can't use Java 1 because you already created one. Finish it. So, okay, when you open up, you can just see, as you can see, you have this, right? You have this. You have all this. So, for you to program, you need to have a class. And to make a class, you just gotta go to your file, new, and class. And then you can just call it hi. I'm just gonna call it hi because I wanted to. And yes, you do want to do that. Oh, we need your source folder. Let's go in Java 2, yeah. I didn't pick the source folder. I forgot to do that. So, finish it up. And here it is. Here. As you can see, bam. It said class I. As you can see, this was right there before, but you can see an error right there. This thing also has an error there. But here's the thing. Like, okay, I'll try to explain this. It's a little bit hard. So we have two high projects. So like, as you can see, I already had a class, but if you're using a Windows and you can't program, you need to create a class. So, and then as you can see, it says class I right there. It's the same thing I did here, except it's a different method. You need to do public class, but yeah. And one thing that I do have a problem with this Java, I mean with personally me, I think that when I was downloading Java, kind of messed up, but when I compile it, it just doesn't run that well. It just does all this, and I don't know what to do with it. I'm trying to fix it, and then it's like doing all this. I don't. These are all errors I have. I'm trying to fix it. It's not because of coding. It's just when I was installing, I think I did something wrong with it. I'm gonna try to fix it. After I fixed it, then I will share how I did it. So yeah, if you have the same problem, if you don't, you can just wait till my next video comes out. And also, if you guys want to know how you can, I guess, run Java on your Windows, you wanna go to your YouTube, because I wanna tell you guys a YouTube channel that is really good, and his name is Bucky. He's such a good Java pro, and like he explains things so good, like that I can do. So I kind of learned from him. The channel name is The New Boston, and as you can see, it's his Java tutorial. If for Windows, this is a pretty old one, but it's very information. Like their informations are good. We have all this different programming. He has tons of programming videos, so check him out. So yeah, this video, I guess I'll be ending. If you guys have any question, let me know. So yeah, leave a like if you guys haven't, and peace.